Hello guys, my name is Eric Jan Mundong and I am here to present and tell you about myself. Honestly, I'm a very shy person, but also I'm a hyper person. In short, I'm an introvert plus extrovert equals ambivert. Being alone is okay to me because it gives me peace of mind, and I play mobile games like Call of Duty and Mobile Legends. Also sometimes watching movies while eating. That's how I use my time when I'm alone. And being an extrovert, hanging out with my friends makes me happy, energetic and lively. And playing with them, mobile games, singing, dancing, watching movies, eating together. For me, being an ambivert helps me to be an optimistic person. Why? Because being alone or being with others is not anymore an issue. It gives me the peace of mind when I'm alone, and a joy in heart when I'm with my friends. That's all. Thank you.